The OnePlus 13T has been making headlines since the end of March, and the buzz hasn't slowed down. With its official reveal just around the corner on April 24, leaks have flooded the internet, giving us a pretty complete picture of what to expect. And if these leaks are anything to go by, the OnePlus 13T is shaping up to be a serious contender in the compact flagship category. At the heart of the excitement is the phone size. In a world where smartphones seem to be getting bigger and bulkier, the OnePlus 13T takes a different route. With a sleek 6.3-inch display, it's aimed at users who prefer a more pocket-friendly device without compromising on power or performance. Side-by-side comparisons with its bigger sibling, the OnePlus 13, show just how much more compact it is. For people tired of juggling massive phones, the 13T could be a perfect alternative. Design-wise, the OnePlus 13T strikes a clean and subtle tone. While rivals like the Vivo X200 Pro Mini and Oppo Find X8 sport more exotic looks with circular camera modules, the OnePlus 13T leans toward a more refined aesthetic. Some have even noted that it gives off slight iPhone vibes, but in a classy and understated way. It doesn't scream for attention, but it still manages to look elegant and premium. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T isn't just about style, it's built to impress with substance too. Early details reveal that the phone is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is the same high-end chip that's expected to power some of the biggest flagships this year, and it means the OnePlus 13T is set up for serious performance. Backing up that chip is a generous 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's more than enough for multitasking, gaming, and pretty much anything else you can throw at it. In fact, this RAM capacity puts the 13T ahead of many top-tier devices. Even the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Galaxy S25 Ultra fall short in this department. And when it comes to benchmark scores, a 13T impresses with 2,900 points in single-core and nearly 9,000 in multi-core performance. It may fall just behind the Galaxy S25 Ultra in raw numbers, but it manages to outperform Apple's latest in multi-core tasks, which is no small feat. The GPU is another major win for this phone. The Adreno 830 graphics unit promises buttery smooth visuals, making it perfect for gamers and anyone who loves high-resolution content. Plus, the phone will ship with Android 15 right out of the box, giving users access to the latest software improvements and security updates from day one. On the camera front, the OnePlus 13T is bringing serious firepower. It'll reportedly feature a 50-megapixel main sensor paired with a 50-megapixel telephoto lens that offers 2x optical zoom and up to 4x lossless zoom. That kind of camera setup is impressive on its own. But OnePlus is going a step further by combining it with Oppo's cutting-edge imaging algorithms and the advanced image signal processor built into the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The result? Expect photos with excellent detail, color, and dynamic range, especially in challenging lighting conditions. And just when you think it couldn't get any better, let's talk battery life. One of the standout features of the OnePlus 13T is its massive 6,200 mAh battery. That's a huge capacity for a phone of this size and spec level. With that kind of power, users can expect excellent battery life, even with heavy use. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or running multiple apps, the 13T looks like it'll go the distance without constantly needing a charge. So, in summary, the OnePlus 13T might just be the compact flagship we've all been waiting for. It combines premium design, powerful performance, top-tier cameras, and incredible battery life, all in a form factor that's easy to carry and comfortable to use. Whether you're a power user or someone who just wants a reliable, high-end phone without the bulk, the OnePlus 13T is looking like a seriously strong option. All eyes are now on April 24, and we'll finally get to see everything officially revealed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.